1951 Chevrolet 3100 5-window street rotted pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Truck has a nice stance to it, as you can see, riding on Riddler chrome wheels. Great color on this too, kind of a dark cherry, black cherry metallic. Rich looking color underneath the hood. 5.3 liter V8. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. The bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Restoration on this truck actually finished in 2021. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let me give you a good look at these Riddler wheels. Radial tires. Tires are dated 2020, so obviously purchased right before the resto was finished. Slotted and disked rotors behind those wheels, as you can see, and I believe it's that way at all four corners. I know it's disc brakes all four corners. We'll get back there in just a second. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. This is an all-steel truck. You can see side glass, light tint to it, so know your local and state laws as far as window tint percentage and the darkness that you can have. The ever popular 5-window, great looking cab. Bed finished off nicely. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, disc in the rear, not slotted or drilled, just so you're aware of that. Mustang 2 front end. There is a battery disconnect or battery shutoff underneath the passenger footwell, just so you're aware of that. Chrome in the rear bumper. Also nice shape, kind of a flat black raised Chevrolet lettering on that tailgate. You can see reflection in that truck. This paint shows well. This is one that'll turn some heads, no doubt about that. If you like these old Chevy pickups, or maybe just street rods in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. See the side exiting exhaust, if you didn't notice that on the passenger side. Again, reflection of the vehicles behind me. Great truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I think this one will take home some trophies, no doubt about that. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Also finished off nicely. Contoured bench seat, so it looks a little more like buckets, but is connected in the center. Cool seating setup. Headliner is finished in there. Tilt column. Aftermarket retro sound style radio. That is working. There's your AC unit down below the dash. 4L60E. Automatic with overdrive. Classic Instruments gauges. 2859. I believe that is since this was redone. So, since the restoration, 2859. Of course, fuel injected, so no need to pump it. If you can see these gauges down here, that was a cold start, so I would expect temp to move. Voltmeter, oil pressure, that should move. Grab a little bit. Yep. So. And then fuel gauge. All right, let's take a listen to this, probably easiest from the side. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust note, just a nice rumble. Slip over here, you can hear it also. slip up to the front so we can get this hood open. I want to check out this engine bay because it's a beautiful engine bay. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this for a drive also. So you can see how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And engine compartment. I don't know if you can really see underneath the hood. Flat black finish. And here we go. So aluminum radiator. There it is. That Fortec 5.3 liter. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does go cold. Smooth runner. Kind of tough since it's dark in there. But you'll be able to see it all in the still pictures also. It's a beauty, no doubt about that. 1951 Chevrolet 3100 5-window street rotted pickup. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1951 Chevrolet pickup truck. This would be a 3100 series. Beautiful dark, what would you say, maybe black cherry paint. The wood inlays in the bed look great. The steering wheel, the dash, it all looks good. Comfortable bench seat. Fitted bench seat in the front. This is an automatic on the column. Acceleration from this truck. Our turn signal indicators working. The wipers also work. We have a digital radio in the dash.
Thinking about the summer fun. Cool off.
Sound is good there. Did notice we don't have a sun visor, even on the driver's side. But who needs that? Just wear your sunglasses. This truck has working air conditioning, easy under the dash access air conditioning. Our temperature gauge reading approximately 160, possibly still rising. The volts are 14. The fuel gauge is showing a little over a half a tank, and the oil pressure is 40. That's all right here in Classic Instruments gauges. Beautiful gauges, looking vintage. The speedometer also working just to the left of that. The brakes are working as they should. Nice steering wheel in this truck. Finger grooves on the back. Vinyl on the front. It does lean some in the corners, but it's a classic truck. You expect that. Lovely rumble coming out the back. It's another one you just want to play with the throttle. To hear it. Take a look at all the pictures of this beautiful 1951 Chevrolet truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.